quit all the text. Now I'm going to explain it, like literally explaining it. So this project consists of three major foci. If you don't know, foci is the plural form of focus. The theme of the competition itself is food matters. We are focusing on how to produce foods, how to distribute them, and how people are going to consume it, because our major focus is actually to produce it for those who need it. As you can see, this is the sketch. It's going to be 2 meters by 2 meters because that is the limit size of the table. The wrap itself is actually consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 12 48 by 48 Lego plates. This is going to be the tower, and this is going to be the conveyor, and this is a tank. To produce it, we need this tower. This tower will function as it is in our 2016 project. Only the difference is it's going to be stronger and it's going to be better. I don't know where the plastic glass will be. It's not sure yet because this project is still in progress, and the main thing is the tower will bring with its arm. Damn, I'm irritated. But the tower will basically look like this. It's just not really, I don't draw really good. This is the arm. They are gonna be like 2, and the arm can trespass this. This is actually hollow inside. The plastic glass will be held by this arm, and the arm will go to here, forward, put on top of the conveyor. The conveyor will deliver it to the machines, blah blah blah, and then take it back. The arm will move here, and it will take back here. So what happens in the conveyor is that let's say this is the plastic glass, and we will put the soil first, soil until like this, and then going to the seed machine, and then we will put the seed. We are not sure what kind of seed that we want to put in, but I think it's like easy seeds, like easy to be found seeds, such as orange seeds or other. And then the glass will go back to this machine, and then the soil will be like perhaps like this, pretty much cover it, and then the conveyor will deliver the glass way to the water machines, and the water machines will sprinkle. And then finally, the plastic glass will be brought by the tower back. Will be brought back to the tower, and the next thing is the distribution. So the distribution itself, we're using our tank. I'm going to show it later. And this tank is controlled manually because usually tank or trucks eventually are controlled manually by humans to prevent traffic errors or whatsoever. So the tank, so after the plastic glass has been filled, the tank will go here and will go into the second section. Eventually the arm will deliver the glass onto the tanks, and since the tank is as big as a 48 by 48 Lego plate, the tank will wait until all the Lego plates are full. So I'm going to simulate this. This is the top surface of the tank. So the first plastic glass will be like this, and then it will fill up. The tower will send a signal to the remote. It is remotely controlled, and to notify the driver whether it is finished or not. And the tank will go back to here, and this is actually the greenhouse. The greenhouse will be as big as this perhaps, and in the greenhouse all this are going to be harvested like, I don't know, several months. So it will be stored first in the greenhouse, and for several months we can harvest it and make it into food.